Hello, my name is Maria, and I wanted to come on here and share my experience with Derek and the Credit Absolute team. So I went to Derek in the hopes of improving my credit score so I could buy a house. I'm a first-time home buyer, and so as some of you may know, it's really overwhelming the first time to know exactly what to do and how to improve your credit. And to be honest, I felt a little bit uncomfortable going to a stranger and just sharing my financial history and saying, what can I do to be better? But the way Derek approached it, and the reason that I ended up feeling so comfortable, is that he was super understanding, super relatable, and he kind of leveled with me and said, look, this is what I would do. And I just think that approach made me feel so at ease and so comfortable. I feel really lucky to have found the Credit Absolute team, and I know that there's a lot of people out there that, are scammers or aren't legitimate and don't really care about your success, but I felt that in Derek's hands, he cared about me improving my credit score and getting to the place I wanted to be. So I just kind of felt compelled to live a video testimonial about my experience in hopes that maybe it makes someone else feel a little bit more comfortable about going to Credit Absolute and following their guidance on how to improve their credit score, because it worked for me. So thank you.